cosmic tapestry, full of mystery and wonder. You dream of it every day. Dream of reaching the stars. You want to know what's out there. Beyond. As time passes, your dream becomes your calling. Your perseverance and hard work pay off, and now you're about to become the first human to venture into the uncharted blackness of space. Finally, the moment comes. You've been striving for it all your life. Launch sequence initiated. Takeoff. Clouds of smoke, pillars of fire, extreme G-forces. All of it leading up to this one moment. To see how beautiful our planet is. After 108 minutes, you'll return to Earth triumphant.